Hello and welcome back. In this video, you will learn about oscilloscope, function generator, and power supply. Let's get started then. We start with the oscilloscope. This is an image of actual oscilloscope. An oscilloscope is a laboratory instrument, commonly used to display and analyze the waveform of electronic signals. It draws a graph of the instantaneous signal voltage as a function of time. Next is function generator. This is an image of actual function generator. A signal or function generator is a device that can produce various patterns of voltage at different frequencies and amplitudes. A common use is to test the response of circuits to a known input signal. Most function generators allow to generate sine, square, or triangular AC function signals. Next is power supply. This is an image of actual power supply. A power supply is an electrical device that supplies electric power to an electrical circuit or load. The primary function of a power supply is to convert electric current from a source to the correct voltage, current, and frequency to power the circuit or load. Now, we will see the working of these devices in TinkerCAD. Open TinkerCAD in your browser. Search power supply, and bring it over to the canvas. Take a LED and a resistor, and make connections, as shown. Click on resistor, and change its resistance to 500 ohms. Click on power supply, change the voltage to 5 volts. This will set the voltage that the power supply will provide to the circuit. Also, change the current to 1 amperes. This will limit the current to a maximum of 1 amperes that the power supply will give to the circuit. Now, start simulation. You can see the circuit works. This is how we use a power supply. Now, open a new circuit. Search for function generator, and bring it over to the canvas. Next, search for oscilloscope, and bring it over to the canvas. Make the connections as shown. Click on function generator, change frequency to 50 Hz, amplitude to 5 volts, DC offset to 0 volt, and function to square wave. Click on oscilloscope, change time per division to 10 milliseconds. Now, start simulation. You can see the waveform as a square wave on the oscilloscope. Change the waveform to sine. You will see the waveform change on the oscilloscope screen. This is how you can use a function generator, an oscilloscope. That's it in this video. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep exploring.